Hey everybody, this is Jim King with King Piers out here in Independence, Missouri at a historic old home for the Robinsons, great people. They chose the King Piers team to come in and restore their beautiful historic home. Stone foundation was what we're doing. They had part of this, part of the house stone, part of it is brick. And when they called us originally, this had all caved in due to a heavy rain. Big pile of brick all the way down here on the end. Cleaned all that up. Now we're getting set up. We're bracing our bulkhead wall here. We're going to pour 4 feet of it. We'll get it all poured up to here, and then we'll let that set up, and then we'll come back and work on the floor, take our forms down, and we'll form on top of the new concrete bulkhead wall and finish it out. So after we pour this 4 foot of floor bulkhead wall, we're going to start focusing on the floor. And we're going to make this basement absolutely beautiful. We're going to rub these walls out here and tuck point as we needed. And then I'm going to spray a bonding agent over the brick. And what that will do is just make it real shiny, make it look really nice. So stay tuned as we progress out here in Independence. King Piers team, I believe we are by far the very best in town, if not the nation. Check out our YouTube channel, check out our Facebook page, give us a comment, subscribe. You can share our videos. We do absolutely everything we do is Engineering 101. We never shortcut anything. Everything we do is just the way an engineer would draw it up. We don't remove concrete until we saw cut it. When you do that, you create fractures in the floor that's you're not working on, and that's going to destroy the floor. So anyway, you just stay tuned to the King Piers team as we get done out here. We're going to probably be pouring some concrete tomorrow. We'll be shooting it live. King Piers, Independence. Thank you.